Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between current account deficit and trade deficit in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Number 1. Current account deficit means the total payments of a country are more than its total receipts in the current account, whereas trade deficit means the imports of goods are greater than the exports of goods. Number 2. Current account deficit is a broader economic concept because it includes goods, services, income, and transfers, whereas trade deficit is a narrower concept that includes only goods or merchandise trade. Number 3. Current account deficit includes trade balance, services, investment income, and remittances, whereas trade deficit includes only exports and imports of goods. Number 4. Current account deficit represents the overall balance of current international transactions, whereas trade deficit represents only the balance of merchandise trade. Number 5. Current account deficit is calculated by comparing total current receipts with total current payments, whereas trade deficit is calculated by comparing exports of goods with imports of goods. Number 6. Current account deficit includes services such as tourism, transportation, and IT services, whereas trade deficit does not include services. Number 7. Current account deficit also includes income from wages and foreign investments, whereas trade deficit excludes all income-related items. Number 8. Current account deficit includes current transfers like remittances and gifts, whereas trade deficit does not include transfers. Number 9. Current account deficit data is prepared from the balance of payments account, whereas trade deficit data is mainly taken from foreign trade statistics. Number 10. Current account deficit reflects the country's total external economic position, whereas trade deficit reflects only the country's goods trading position. Number 11. Current account deficit affects exchange rates, foreign reserves, and economic stability, whereas trade deficit mainly affects industrial production, employment, and trade competitiveness. Number 12. Current account deficit is usually expressed as a percentage of GDP to measure external sustainability, whereas trade deficit can also be expressed as a percentage of GDP but covers a limited area. Number 13. Current account deficit may occur because of high service payments, investment income outflows, or lower remittances, whereas trade deficit mainly occurs when imports of goods exceed exports of goods. Number 14. Current account deficit may indicate dependence on foreign capital and weak external balance, whereas trade deficit may indicate weak export performance or heavy dependence on imported goods. Number 15. Current account deficit covers all current international economic transactions, whereas trade deficit focuses only on international trade in goods. In simple words, current account deficit is the shortfall in total receipts from all current sources, whereas trade deficit is only the shortfall in goods trade. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.